What if I told you that the single most important thing about your solar system's lifespan has nothing to do with the brand name or even the warranty? It's a fundamental design choice that most people, honestly, just overlook. It's the secret that decides whether your investment lasts a lifetime or just a few years. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on that secret.
It's the big question, right? The one that can keep you up at night after you've made this huge investment in clean energy. You expect it to be reliable. So why do you see some systems just chugging along for decades, while others seem to just give up? Well, the answer isn't in the solar panels themselves. It's in the philosophy of how the whole thing is put together.
And that really brings us to two completely different ways of thinking. On one side, you've got these all-in-one systems. And yeah, they look great. They're sleek, simple, but often they're a sealed black box. When something goes wrong, you're stuck. But on the other side, you have the modular approach. It might not be as pretty, but it's all about one thing, resilience. And that choice right there is the key.
So let's really dive into this. Modular versus all-in-one. This is so much more than what looks good hanging on your garage wall or how easy the initial setup is. This is all about protecting the long-term value of your energy investment.
Okay, probably the best way to wrap your head around this is with tech you already use every day. An all-in-one solar system? It's basically a smartphone. It's sealed up tight, and when that battery finally dies, you're pretty much forced to buy a whole new phone. A modular system, though? That's like a good old desktop PC. If your video card gets outdated or fails, you just open the case, pop in a new one, and you're good to go. Game on.
So what do we actually mean by modular? It's really simple. It just means you can replace one broken part, the battery, the inverter, whatever, without having to throw the whole system in the trash. It's the huge difference between a small, pretty inexpensive repair and a catastrophic, super costly replacement. But how does this idea of being modular actually make a system tougher? Let's get into the science of it a little bit, because this is where the design choice really proves its worth. A lot of those integrated all-in-one systems are wired in what's called a series circuit. Just think about those old cheap holiday lights, you know the ones. If one single bulb burns out, the whole string just goes dark. It's a single point of failure that can take your entire system offline, leaving you completely in the dark. Modular systems, on the other hand, take a much smarter approach. They use a parallel design. And here, if one component fails, the rest of them just keep on working. Sure, you might see a small dip in your overall performance, but your power stays on. The system is designed for the real world, where, let's face it, things break. It's built to survive failure, not be defined by it. And look, these aren't just some theoretical weak spots we're talking about. These are real-world components that fail all the time. Take the little cooling fans inside an inverter. They have a limited lifespan. They will fail eventually. In an all-in-one unit, that dead fan could cause the whole thing to overheat and die. In a modular system, it's a simple, cheap part to swap out. Same goes for the batteries management system or even the connectors.
Okay, so the benefits are pretty clear, but what does a repair on one of these modular systems actually look like? Let's just walk through the basic steps, because it's probably a lot simpler than you're imagining.
It pretty much boils down to this 5-step process. First, you get to play detective. You check the system's error codes, maybe grab a multimeter, and you find the culprit. Second, and this is the absolute most critical step, you power everything down safely. Third, you just swap out the bad part for a new one. Fourth, power it all back up and make sure everything's working right. And last, just jot down a quick note about the repair. That little bit of paperwork becomes your system's long-term health record.
Now hold on, before anyone even thinks about touching a single wire, we have to talk about safety. These are the non-negotiable, absolute must-follow rules for working on any high-power electrical system. This stuff is no joke.
First and foremost, live DC circuits are extremely dangerous. Even at what seems like low voltages, they can create a ridiculously powerful and hot electrical arc. So the golden rule is this: treat every single component as if it's live until you have personally and completely disconnected it from every possible power source.
Next up is a hidden danger. It's the capacitors. The capacitors inside an inverter can hold on to a lethal electrical charge long after you've flipped the off switch. This is so important to understand. Off does not mean safe. You have to know how to safely discharge these things before you start any work.
And finally, never, and I mean ever, disconnect the connectors from your solar panels while the system is running, what we call under load. If you do that, you can create a dangerous electrical arc. It's basically a small plasma explosion right in your hands that can wreck your gear and seriously injure you.
So here's your safety checklist. Always wear properly rated insulated gloves and safety glasses. Follow the manufacturer's shutdown instructions to the absolute letter.
Isolate all power sources, the DC from your panels and the AC from the grid. And look, if you are ever in doubt about anything, just call a professional. It is the smartest investment you can make in your system's future and your own.
So when you combine a design that's actually meant to be repaired with safe maintenance practices, you've got more than just a solar system. You have a smart, resilient, long-term asset. Let's look at the real payoff here.
Let's just look at the bottom line. With a modular system, a component fails. Okay, the repair cost is relatively low, and maybe you're down for a few hours. With a sealed, all-in-one system, you could be staring down a bill for a whole new unit and waiting weeks without power. The long-term financial difference between these two approaches is just staggering.
So it really all comes down to this. A repairable, modular solar system isn't just about convenience. It's a smart, strategic, long-term investment that protects your wallet and guarantees your energy independence for decades to come.
So the next time you look at a solar system, whether it's the one you own or one you're thinking of buying, ask yourself this simple, fundamental question. Is this thing built to last, or is it just built to be replaced? The answer to that will tell you everything you really need to know.